In northern Peru, a breathtaking discovery has emerged from the earth, the ancient city of Peñico, dating back 3,500 years. Perched 600 meters above sea level in Barranca province, Peñico was once a bustling hub that linked the Pacific coast, the Andes, and the Amazon rainforest. Archaeologists believe it thrived between 1,800 and 1,500 BC, making it a contemporary of ancient Egypt, Mesopotamia, and early China. Drone footage reveals circular plazas and terraced stone-mud buildings, built with remarkable skill and foresight. The city's elevated terraces protected it from floods and offered sweeping views of the landscape. Among the artifacts unearthed are ceremonial conch shell trumpets, clay figurines, and intricate necklaces crafted from shells, minerals, and bones. These finds reveal a society deeply rooted in ritual, artistry, and trade. Located near the famous ruins of Caral, Peñico represents a cultural bridge between the America's earliest civilizations and later Andean societies. It's a vivid reminder that while old-world civilizations were rising, complex urban life was also flourishing here, completely independent and equally impressive. Today, after 8 years of excavation, Peñico is open to the public, inviting the world to step into its ancient streets and rediscover a chapter of humanity's shared story.